In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear window regulator in this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Take this cover off here. I'm using a pick. You could use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop this off. It's just clipped in. There's a Phillips head screw right there. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take that screw out. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, there's another screw down here. Take that screw out. You can slide that panel off. Remove this bezel. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Get underneath here. We'll just pop it up. It slides right up. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. And it slides right out. Using a trim tool, just go around the perimeter. Just pop it out. It's just clips holding it in. Just grab the door panel, slide it out, and slide it up. Comes right off. I'm going to pull this bracket off so that we can pull the vapor barrier up higher. Use a 10mm socket. Take these two bolts out. And grab the vapor barrier and just be careful. Try not to rip it. I'm going to reconnect the connector for the window switch and turn the key on so I can lower the window. You want to lower the window down so that you can see the bolt here and see the other bolt through this hole right here for the window regulator. Then we can turn the key off and disconnect the connector. Using a 10mm socket, take this screw out. And we'll take the other one out. I'm just going to support the window underneath, make sure it doesn't fall. Slide the window out of the track, and we'll slide it up. I'm going to put it all the way up. I'm just going to use some masking tape, tape the window up. Disconnect the connector right here. There's a little tab, just use a pick. Push up on the tab, slide it out. Take these two bolts out, use a 10mm socket. This bolt right here, I'm just going to loosen this one. I'm not going to take it out completely. There is a slot, and then there's three. We'll take these three out. Same 10mm socket. Grab the regulator, and slide it up, slide that bolt out, and it slides right out. I'll just swap this bolt over to the new one. Use a 10mm socket, and just get a couple threads started. That's good. Now sliding this in, same way it came out. This one has a wiring harness that's going to go through the hole. Slide that through the hole. And slide that bolt through right there. This bracket, you want to line this up. It's going to go right here. Take the two bolts, get those started. And you might have to move the regulator up and down a little bit to get the other holes to line up. Take the other bolts, get those all started. Tighten these all down. Connect the connector right there. You can wire tie this out of the way. There's a little bit of extra wire, that's fine. Connect the window switch again, turn the key on. We're going to lower the regulator down so that we can access the bolt right there. Just be careful. You don't want to pinch your fingers. That's lined up. We can turn the key off now. Now carefully remove the tape from the window. Lower the window down. And when you get close, put the brackets in the regulator. Take the bolts, get those started. I'll snug those down first. And I'll torque those to 71 inch-pounds. With the key on again, I can put the window all the way up. And disconnect the connector. I'll slide the vapor barrier down. If you need some more butyl tape, you can get some more tape. Tape it down good. Make sure it sticks. Take this bracket, line this up. Put these two bolts in. Snug those down. Take the door panel, slide the top part in near the window. Make sure you can get the wiring harness through. And just tap it in all the way around. Take this cover, slide that in place. Take the screw, we'll screw that in. Snug that down. Take the other screw, put it right where the handle is. Snug that down. Take that cover, line that up. Lock it down. Plug the window switch in. Goes that way. Line the bezel up. Push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.